Doesn't that look nice?
Here's the thing about solving the cube. It works a bit better if they add some lube. R-U-B, I-K-S. C-U-B-E, the Rubik's Cube is the best.
Alright, what's up, Cubers? Today, we got another unboxing. Alright, so this is the Rubik's Money Box, or just a piggy bank if you prefer the term. So let's get into it. My dad gave this to me because I've got this jar of coins on my desk that he thinks someone's gonna, like, steal it. Alright. So it's... Aw, it doesn't work. So it's a Rubik's piggy bank, that thing. Let me get my coins. I got this jar here that I keep my coins in. Alright, let's put a few in. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the stuff. Oh, that's very nice. I'm gonna put all my coins in. I'll do it the easy way, actually. Oh, snap. Alright. Alright. Totally empty. Wow. Alright. Try extend the tripod here. There we go. Alright. I might start doing my unboxing from this angle, I'm not sure. But there it is. It's Rubik's piggy bank. Because it's late and I need to go to bed. But yeah. Oh, today on my main channel. There you go. There you can see me now. Hopefully, I don't know. Yeah. Alright. Anyway, today on my main channel. Well, today for you guys, tomorrow for me. Anyway, today on my main channel, I'm posting a new Nerf War video featuring DP KnitRam, or also known as My Neighbor Sam. And you can check that out right here. Where my face is. Never mind. Just, it's somewhere on the screen. I don't know. Anyway, you can put on that, like, favorite, comment, subscribe. To both or all three of my channels if you like. I have my main channel, my Minecraft channel, and the video here. So yeah. Sorry for not posting as many videos as I could lately, but goodbye. Oh wait, that is not how I end my videos. Yeah. Until next time, I bid you all goodbye. Okay, bye.